Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have PowerPoint open and a backup saved. Now start. First, verify your version so you know which menus appear, then open the presentation and pick a slide with the text you want to change. Next, go straight to View and click Slide Master to edit theme-level fonts. This ensures consistency across slides. Once done, locate the master slide at the top of the left pane so changes apply to all layouts. Make sure to save under a new name before major edits. You're now on the slide master. Pick either the big master or a specific layout depending on scope. Use the home ribbon for direct font tools or choose slide master fonts to apply a theme font pair. This changes placeholders consistently. Then adjust font size, weight, color, and paragraph spacing for title and body placeholders so your slides look balanced. Once done, check a few child slides to confirm the new settings carried through. If something didn't update, reselect that layout and reapply the font. You've edited the master. Now exit Slide Master and scan your slides to catch manual overrides. Text boxes with direct formatting won't update automatically. If you find mismatched fonts, use Home Replace Fonts to swap any remaining typefaces quickly. Once corrected, save the presentation and test it on another computer to confirm fonts render properly. Embed fonts if necessary. If fonts still look wrong, make sure the target font is installed on the other device or embed the font in File Options Save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.